Major shocker. The Agriculture Minister of Maharashtra, Manik Rao Kokate, and his brother have been sentenced to 2 years of rigorous imprisonment for fraudulently securing flats meant for the economically weaker sections. Now, a Nashik court found the duo guilty of forgery and cheating, imposing a fine of 50,000 each. Authorities have been ordered to cancel the flat allotments. Let's tell you, Kokate and his brother, however, have been granted bail to appeal against the verdict. Now, this conviction could spell political trouble because under the Representation of the People Act, a 2-year sentence could lead to disqualification unless overturned. Now, Kokate is now the second NCP minister facing legal heat after, remember, Dhananjay Munde, who is embroiled in a high-profile murder case. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me for more. Shweta, very good afternoon. Given the fact that we put that quick perspective for our viewers as to what this is, while he's been convicted, this could also spell larger trouble.
Well, that's right. Trouble mounting for Mahayuti leaders, and this time it is with the NCP faction of Ajit Pawar. Now, remember, first it was Dhananjay Munde, and now it is Manik Rao Kokate. Now, he is the agriculture minister in Maharashtra cabinet, and the case is 30 years back case. But yes, when it comes to conviction, he has been convicted in the case of alleged scam related to the 10% quota from Chief Minister's fund. This was the case back then in 90s. This was one of the important factor of CM case used to happen, that 10% used to be allotted for flats or for lands for weaker sections of the society that used to fall under EWS. In this particular scheme, it was said that allegedly Manik Rao Kokate and his brother Vijay Kokate had applied, and they also acquired 2 flats in Nashik. Later on, a case was in fact, which a complaint was filed before the police by the then deputy collector, and then the case began. The trial in fact began in 2001. Before that, the case is from 1995. The charge sheet was filed in 1997 and the trial began in 2001. Between all these years, just the latest proceedings as we go through, just yesterday, as per the order that was pronounced by the court, it was stated that rigorous imprisonment of 2 years for Kokate brothers and 50,000 as the penalty. But what comes in between is, of course, the conviction that has taken place. However, having said that, within few hours of the rigorous imprisonment after the verdict, the Kokate brothers were given bail because their legal counsel approached to the court. But importantly here is to understand that how this is heat going to be more faced by the Mahayuti leaders. Now, specifically, we just talk about NCP of Ajit Pawar faction. We have seen Dhananjay Munde facing backlash every now and then over his alleged role somewhere, the case which has been going on, and at the same time now we are given to understand that it's Manik Rao Kokate who is the agriculture minister. As per the People's Act, as you have correctly mentioned, that it could lead to the disqualification also. But again, it is going to be wait and see whether some strict action that is being taken by Ajit Pawar himself or not. But similarly, we just recall his statement just few days back. Ajit Pawar said that it is not on him to put somebody to resign, because it is also the moral responsibility and accountability of particular MLA. So clearly he has given larger hints, but it will be again something to watch if Dhananjay Munde or Manik Rao Kokate for that matter, do they put papers or do they get disqualified?
Right, Shweta. Thank you for putting that into perspective, because this is trouble on more than one line, politically speaking and of course legally as well. But for the moment, we leave the conversation at that.